Hello, welcome to Bizom. So today in this video we will learn how users can capture their opening stocks for their distributors. So the very first step to do this is on the top left side there are three lines given. Just click on the three lines to get the main menu. From the main menu there is a second option of stock at warehouse. Click on that stock at warehouse. The list of distributors will be displayed over here that are assigned to a particular user. The distributor on which we need to take the current opening stock, just select that distributor name over here. The very first option would be the CFA, on which user can see the current stocks for their distributors in units and their unit price also. There are filter options given of all category drop down and all subcategory drop down. If user wants to check the inventory of only one particular category, from all category drop down options, user can select any particular category. Let's take an example. If we select just vegetables, then only the vegetables products would be displayed over here. On the right side, there is a search option given through which user can search a particular product also. Second option is the info option. Over here, user can check their overall distributor details. Third option is the transaction option. On this screen, user can check the distributor's last 5 transactions. On the first page of CFA, when user wants to do the opening stocks or user wants to update the opening stock for this distributor, on the same page on top right there is a edit button given. Click on the edit button, update the current opening stock for this particular distributor. Over here user do have an option to do it as a category wise and all subcategory wise. We can select the particular category from this drop down options and update the current stock in their units. Once the stocks are updated, on top right there is a submit button. Once user clicks on that submit button, user would get an pop-up inventory updated successfully. And once user clicks on the OK button, automatically he will be redirected to this stock at warehouse page. The distributor which user has visited will be changed from black to blue color.